Hello everyone, my name is Emil and welcome to Emil's React. Now for this video we like to call MLP in the nutshell, episode 23, Sounds of Silence. So I already been reacting to the episode 22, What Lies Beneath. Now this time it's episode 23, Sounds of Silence. So yeah, let's find out what it is. So like the final sketch at Octavia said, just sit back and watch the glorious montage. We're gonna start with this in 3, 2, 1, go.
Where are we going to into a sprinkle?
Oh my gosh.
Recognize creatures called Carrie, but also mean creatures called Mary.
Russian? Oh my gosh.
Yay, we found Carrie. We're here to solve a friendship problem.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Applejack. Letterfish.
Hola, soy Applejack.
مرحبا اسمي فلاتوشاي.
Saudi. India. Oh my gosh. Singapore. Russian.
叫柔柔。
Chinese. What the?
Do you understand us?
Okay.
You don't talk?
No.
Say something one MOMG.
Oh my gosh. What the hey?
Yay. I stay here. Okay, I will find a talking Carrie. Yo. Yay, a talking Carrie. I'm audible, let's see.
Oh no. Nice. Oh my gosh. He's using without the speed limit.
You audible, we will help them talk again.
We can't let them talk again.
What if they should talk? Yes.
No.
Hey.
Okay. A reverse talking.
It's okay,
Yeah.
I know anger management.
Oh, good idea.
You should talk again.
Whoa.
I think the cure in the water supply.
Did it work? Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. They're back to normal. Thanks for watching. Oh, okay. That looks amazing, and it's so without those languages, dope. So yeah, I'm going to reacting to the episode 24. Yeah, the episode 23, Sounds of Silence was 100% to this video. I'll approve to it. So please subscribe to my YouTube and follow us on Twitter in Daily Motion. Also, you can share to my videos from 2018. So this is Emil's React. My name is Emil. Will be sign out. Goodbye. Oh, I can't stand. So this time for real. So see you guys later. Bye bye.